In a big decision with the Karnataka government, the bill on reservation for Muslim contractors has been cleared by Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. Under this bill, the contractors belonging to the Muslim community will get a 4% quota in public work contracts. Now, as expected, the move has drawn sharp criticism from the BJP. The Saffron Party has alleged that the move is anti-Hindu and has only been made to appease one particular community. In fact, the party has also claimed that the reservation has been extended at the patronage of Rahul Gandhi, who, despite losing back-to-back elections, has learned nothing. Listen in.
अभी तक नौकरी तक समझते थे, अब सरकारी ठेकों में भी रिजर्वेशन हो रहा है और उसमें भी सीधा मुस्लिम्स के लिए 4%। कल देश ने शांति से होली मनाया और हिंदू और मुसलमानों ने एक नए एका का परिचय भी दिया, सद्भाव का परिचय दिया। और ठीक वैसे समय कम्युनल पॉलिटिक्स और वोट बैंक पॉलिटिक्स को एक नया आयाम दिया जा रहा है। बीजेपी वुड लाइक टू एम्फेसाइज categorically with some sense of responsibility that this reservation in Karnataka has been extended under full patronage and approval of Rahul Gandhi. Siddaramaiah does not have the courage, not the political capital to announce on its own.
Now, the Congress party, meanwhile, has defended the move, saying that the government is aiming to bridge the disparity in the contracting business. Listen in.
See, the contracting business is dominated by more powerful castes and communities. Downtrodden people, Dalits, backwards, minorities are not at all represented in contracting business, and it's a huge business. Our government has initiated a small step to make it more inclusive. We have given reservation in contracts for small contracts up to 2 crores. To SC/STs, OBCs and minorities. And we have included those sections of society which needs mainstream help from the government.